Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start the numbers. The first topic that is in this lecture is form a numbers. Students, you have to place the numbers that is written in their columns. As in the first example, 4 is in the tens place, 8 in the ones place, and the 3 in the hundred place. Look at this example. 4 we have written in the tens place. So we have to write 4 in the tens place. In the next, 8 is written in the ones place. So if you cannot write the 8 in the hundred place, you have to write 8 in the ones place. And the third, 3 is in the hundred place. So we can write 3 in hundred place. It is 348. The next example we have 5 in the ones place, 8 in the tens place, and the 3 in the hundred place. Starting from this, 5 we write in the ones place. So we write 5 here, and the 8 will be written in the tens place. So we write 8 in our tens place here, and the 3 is in written form. 3 will be written in the hundred place. So we write 3 in the hundred place. So it will be 385. The next example we have 6 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place, and the 3 in the ones place. So first we have to write 6 in the tens place. 6 we will write here, and the 8 will be written in the hundred form. So we write 8 in the hundreds column, and the 3 will be in tens place. So we write 3 in the ones place. So we write 3 in a ones place. So it will be 800, 806 and 3. Next example we have 1 in a tens place, 8 in the ones place, and the 3 in the hundred place. So we start from the 1. It will be written in the ones place, tens place. So we write 1 in a tens place. 8 will be in the ones place. So we write 8 in the last column, that is the ones place, and the 3 will be written in the starting column, that is the hundred place. So we write 3 in this column. The next topic we have the numbers name. Student, look at this column. So see how to write the numbers in our different columns. First column we have is the hundred, next tens column, and the next is the ones column. The first example we have is the 200. So you have to write in a words form 200. Next number we have 4, 5 and 9. So you have to change this in a words form. So you write 459 or 459. Next example we have 3, 2, 1. So you have to change this in a words form. So we can write 321. Next numbers we have 7, 8, 4. You have to change these numbers in a words form. So we can say 784. Next numbers we have 9, 9 and 9. So you change this in a words form starting from 999. Next topic we have count and write the backward in a tens. Students, you have to count these numbers and written in a backward form, and that's count in a tens. First example we have 785. We can write and count this in a backward count. Counting starts from the tens. It will be 775, next 765, next will be 755, and next will be 745, and next will be 735. Next example we have 496. So we write 486, next we write 476, next we write 466, next we write 456, and the last we write 446. Next example we have 678. So we count in a tens backward. It will be 6 starting from 678. The next will be 768. Next will be 658. Next will be 648. Next will be 638. Here we have 254. So we write 4, 2, 244, 234, 224 and 214. Next we have skip count in hundreds and then write the number. So we have to skip the hundreds and count in the hundreds form. The first example we have 675. The next, if we skip 100, and it will be 775. Next will be 875. Next 975, 175, 1075, 1175. Next we have 457. It will be 557, 657, 657, 757, 857. First we have, next example we have 165. It will be 265, 365, 465, 565 and 665. Next example we have 512. 512, it will be 612, 712, 812, 912 and 1012. The next topic we have, pick the biggest number and cross the smallest number. In each column we have to take the biggest number and we have to cross the smallest number in this form. First example we have 467, 865, 963, 678, 453 and 462. In this column the biggest number we have 963. So we have to take the biggest number, and the smallest number we have 453 and we have to cross the smallest number in it. In the next example we have 345, 653, 356, 778, 234 and 671. So biggest number we have in this column is 788. We have to take the biggest number in it, and we will take the biggest number, that is 788. And we have to cross the smallest number in this column, and we have 234 is the smallest number, and we have to cross the 234 number. Next example we have 134, 234, 215, 124, 672, 987. We have to take the biggest number in it, and that is 987. The biggest number we have to take, and that is 987. And the smallest number that in this column is 124. We have to cross the smallest number, and that is 124. The last example we have 562, 762, 283, 829, 907 and 321. The biggest number in this column is 907. We have to take 907. And the smallest number in this column is 283. We have to cross the smallest number, and that is 283. Next topic we have, write whether the right number are written is in ascending or descending order. So we have a different examples of ascending and descending orders. You have to write in this column either it is ascending or a descending numbers. First example is written 154, 155, 156 and 159, and that is in ascending order. We have to write ascending here. The next example is 765, and next is 756, 734 and 732. This example is in descending order. We have to write descending order here. The next example we have 897, 987, 978, 695 and 554. So this example is also in the descending order, so we will have to write descending here. So you have to solve the remaining example as I solved in the first three examples. The next topic we are, write the following in a descending order. So you have to arrange these numbers in a descending order. First example is 124, next is 242, the third is 432 and the last number is 423. The biggest number in these is 432. So we write first number is 432. The next number which is the smaller than 432 is 423. So we write the second number will be 423. And the third number that is smaller than 423 is 242. So we write at the third number will be 242. And the last remaining number is 124, and we write at the last 124. The next example is 574, 475, 764 and 354. The biggest number in this column is 764. The first number will be 764. We write 764 at the first number, and the next number will be, that is smaller than 764, is 574. The next number we write here will be 574, and the third number will be 475, and the last number will be 354. You have to solve the remaining example as I solved first two examples.